Friends, welcome to Pro Talent and I'm Nitin Parmar. I welcome you all for this issue-based learning. Contempt of court is what we are discussing today. So just imagine a kind of court, okay, which is issuing order and people are not following it up. Okay. When Supreme Court or any High Court or any court gives an order and people are not following it, then what's the use of that court? There is no use. Yes, if the court can't ensure the implementation of their order, there is no use of the court to be kept, because if people are not implementing the justice, how will justice will be served? So dosto, in this contempt of court today we are discussing about an issue connected to Prashant Bhushan. हम बात करते हैं कि एग्जैक्टली इसके पीछे इश्यू क्या था. We will discuss about the entire issue connected to this Prashant Bhushan, but let's understand. ठीक है, a very important aspect of origin of this contempt of court. You remember this permanent court of arbitration, they told that China was possibly a kind of convicted for certain, we can say, bad thing. Yes, and China said we are not accepting what PCA says. Yes, so this is where the problem is. For example, there are many international organizations which are not able to enforce their order on many countries, and thereby those organizations just remain on the piece of paper. We as citizens do not want that. Why? Because if we have those kind of systems, we have to be very clear that the justice will not be implemented and we have to manage everything on our own. Yes, and possibly that is not the democratic system we are interested in. And at the same time, the another angle is if the court misuses its power of contempt of court, and even for a small meager issue the court comes out and says this is contempt of court, that's where the problem is. Okay, so we will try to see both side argument in today's session. So this is Supreme Court. Last week they registered a suo motu, you can say, case of contempt against the lawyer प्रशांत भूषण, जो आपके सामने फोटोग्राफ में दिख रहे हैं, प्रशांत भूषण साहब है. ही इज अ लॉयर एंड अगेंस्ट हिम suo motu cognizance was raised. For what purpose? We'll see those tweets as well. But as it said that Supreme Court is a kind of temple of democracy and they have a lot of power, and as you can say, so our Spider-Man said, the great power comes with great responsibility. It is the responsibility of the, you can say, judiciary to ensure that what they are doing, whether that is right or not. Okay, so let's see what was the kind of, we can say, tweet. So there's two tweets. One tweet about Chief Justice of India riding 50 lakh motorcycle belonging to a BJP leader, Raj Bhavan Nagpur, without a, we can say, mask or helmet at a time when he keeps Supreme Court in lockdown mode, denying citizens their fundamental right to access justice. Okay, I think in this particular case, Prashant Bhushan has to understand that Mr. You can say Bobde was sitting on a bike, which is obviously not running bike, so there is no need to wear the helmet. That's number one. Now what about mask? Was there a sort of compulsion at that point in time wearing mask? Let's accept that Chief Justice is, you can say, because of such a high post, he is allowed not to wear mask. Okay, people like you and me will be required to wear mask. Okay, so let's take that Prashant Bhushan might have done something wrong in it. Okay, which is unnecessary argument on, you can say, Mr. Bobde. Okay, chali, great. Let's talk about number two, you can say, tweet. He said, when historian in future look back at last 6 years to see how democracy has been destroyed in India, even without a formal emergency, they will particularly mark the role of Supreme Court in this destruction, and more particularly the role of last 4 CGI. Now this, I believe, is a very serious allegation by Prashant Bhushan, primarily without any substantial proof. Okay, now this is where possibly some issue may come. Okay, now we'll come back to what Prashant Bhushan did. So here we are learning what is contempt of court. We are not going by this kind of controversy, but yes, sometimes controversies also help us to learn a lot. Okay, so let's talk about this. What was the case? Okay, it was suo motu. Okay, self-motivated. I'm sure every one of you understand now that what is suo motu. It is a self-motivated. So that means the court realized that it was really not okay. The court registered the proceeding after a petition was moved, citing 2 tweets of Bhushan, yes or no, and these 2 tweets I've just showed to you, and the court said it found the tweets prima facie contempt. We will see what is written in the law related to contempt of court, and we will apply our reasonable mind to see whether it is appropriate or not, what court has done is right or not. It's court's opinion, and we'll apply our own opinion on this. Okay, so we have tweets in front of us. So what is contempt? Dosto, contempt of court is the most controversial element in the judiciary, and which is obvious and by the nature of the content. On one side, the contempt is contempt of court law tries to punish who do not respect the order of the court, which is needed, and sometimes we don't respect the order of our father, we get chata. Yes or no? क्यों चाटा पड़ता है? ठीक है, because at the end of the day it is the order of the Supreme Court. अगर Supreme Court का order लोग मानेंगे नहीं तो सिस्टम रखने का मतलब ही क्या था? Yes or no? That is acceptable. Contempt is also used to punish speech that lowers dignity of the court and interferes with the administration of justice, which is right. Yes, ठीक है. अगर लोगों के मन में जस्टिस सिस्टम के खिलाफ, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के खिलाफ और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के प्रति या इवन हाई कोर्ट के प्रति, if there is no respect, है ना, and we know क्या ये लोग कुछ भी जजमेंट देते हैं, if we try to put argument in that manner, possibly the entire democratic system will not work. Okay, and that's the reason why we should have contempt of court. There are 2 types of contempt available. One is a civil, other is criminal. Let's understand this. Civil, you can say contempt of court is a willful disobedience of a court order or a judgment or willful breach of an undertaking given to a court. So जब आप कोर्ट में गए, आपने गीता पे हाथ रखा और बोला whatever I will say it's truth. ठीक है, गीता पे तो हाथ नहीं रखवाते, एक एफिडेविट होता है, उसके ऊपर साइन करवाते कि जो भी मैं बोलूंगा कोर्ट के सामने सही बोलूंगा. Yes or no? Obviously कोई गीता वीता होती नहीं है. ठीक है, now after that you speak something false, ठीक है, which is not right. Okay, then that's called contempt of court, which is civil contempt of court. सही बात है, आपने झूठ बोला, ठीक है, आपने कोर्ट के ऑर्डर की अवमानना करी, you are not going by the judgment of the court, that's acceptable. Now what about criminal part? That is written or spoken words. Remember that it is written as well as spoken words or any act that scandalizes the court or lowers its authority or prejudices or interfere in the due course of a judicial proceeding or interferes or obstructs the administration of justice. So by your words, written or spoken, or by your act, you are scandalizing the court, you are lowering its authority, you are prejudicing or interfering in the due course of judicial proceeding, or you are interfering or obstructing administration of justice. So when you say that what happened in Supreme Court in the history of India in the last, you can say 6 years with this 4 Chief Justice of or 4 CGI, it is really bad. Now isn't it lowering the standard of Supreme Court? Indeed it is lowering the standard of Supreme Court, but if it is truth, then what will happen? Then if the truth is that it is substantially proven, then what will happen? Yes or no? So मुझे लगता है कि when you have a great power, it is your responsibility to introspect rather than, you can say, forcing people to stop their, you can say, mouth. I think what Prashant Bhushan did is possibly not going and publish, it is not spreading everywhere, not in today's time, who believes on Prashant Bhushan. Anyway, why the court needs contempt power, as we discussed, it is primarily to ensure orders are implemented. उसके बगैर तो क्या होगा, नहीं तो वापस वो हमारे सनी देओल साहब आएंगे, वो तारीख पे तारीख की बात कर रहे हैं तो ये बोलते हैं कि ये जज साहब कुछ काम नहीं करते, उनकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. तो एक तरीके से हमारी यहाँ पे लड़ाइयाँ चालू हो जाएगी. पीपल विल कम आउट ऑन द रोड एंड पीपल विल स्टार्ट फाइटिंग एंड पीपल विल किल ईच अदर बिकॉज देयर इज नो जुडिशियल सिस्टम. सो दैट इज नीडेड. टू सस्टेन independent nature of judiciary, this is very much needed. This is another objective. How do you sustain that judiciary is independent? because if judiciary is independent and if someone tries to denigrate, abase, debase the judiciary, then possibly judiciary will not serve the purpose. ठीक है. So judiciary issues order, they are implemented by government or private authorities. In court are unable to enforce their order, the rule of law will come to an halt. That is obvious. That is obvious. ठीक है. And thereby this contempt powers are needed. I expect that it should be there. Now, are there any provisions available for contempt of court? Yes, there are provisions like article number 129 and article number 215 give Supreme Court and High Court respectively to punish people for their contempt. That is acceptable. So 129 is available with Supreme Court, 215 is available with High Court. There is a special act available, the Contempt of Court Act 1971. Therein section 10 is there. It defines power of High Court to punish contempt of its subordinate court as well. So it is not just people like you and me are getting affected. Okay, it is even subordinate court. Recently Supreme Court, you can say, gave contempt of, you can say, rather they said we will use contempt of court against IIT Mumbai. Okay, for one of the, you can say, project where they were not, you can say, implementing that activity. So they said we will raise that, you can say, case against you. This is how it is possible, which is needed. Okay, and even in the constitution where we have been provided fundamental right, article number 19, freedom of speech and expression. So this contempt of court will be termed as reasonable restrictions, or whatever you want to speak, whatever you want to express, you can do that. But by doing that, if you are doing this contempt of court, हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं कोर्ट की अवमानना करना. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? अवमानना. So in this scenario, if you can say do this contempt of court, that is obviously, you can say, violation of certain laws, though you have freedom, but that freedom comes with a reasonable restriction. So what are the various critical issues with contempt of, you can say, court laws? Okay, so here we have, you can say, separation of power. You know, separation of power, judiciary is independent. Okay, so when judiciary is independent, judiciary can have their own power to implement their own, you can say, laws. That is right. So when article number 19(1)(a) says that, okay, right to freedom of speech and expression to all citizens, and contempt provision, as we discussed right now, that it curbs people's freedom to speak against courts functioning. Okay, now this is very crucial. Okay, on one side we have a power coming up that look, you have freedom, on other side there is a reasonable restrictions, but how it is used is a big question. When judiciary is using this in an arbitrary way to suppress the criticism against, or that is a criticism of Supreme Court by the people, then when judiciary uses this in an arbitrary manner, I believe that is not right. Okay, so what I believe, the tweet about Chief Justice of India when he was on Harley Davidson, I believe it is not against judiciary system at all. It is against that one individual's, you can say, performance in his private life. ठीक है, that's a criticism on private life. ठीक है ना. But anyway, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास क्या क्या केसेस है आज के समय में, क्यों ये केस लाने की जरूरत पड़ी? ठीक है, देखिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास कोरोना रिलेटेड केसेस अवेलेबल है ना, ये माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स के रिलेटेड बहुत सारे केसेस हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला नहीं अभी समय नहीं है, विल डू इट लेटर ऑन. ठीक है भाई, जम्मू कश्मीर में इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट और जो इंटरनेट 4G कनेक्शन देना है वो नहीं दिया. बोला सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सरकार को बोला भाई बता दो क्या कर रहे हो तुम, हम सुन लेते तुम्हारी बात, है ना, हम जजमेंट बाद में देते हैं. चलो अच्छी बात है, विल टेक दैट केस. ठीक है, अच्छा, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में देयर आर केसेस हैपनिंग अबाउट लेट्स से CA, है ना, सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एक्ट के खिलाफ कुछ परेशानी वाले केसेस चल रहे हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट को लग रहा है भाई कोरोना आ गया है तो चलो उसको डिले कर देते हैं. ठीक है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास शबरीमाला का केस है, शबरीमाला के केस की हियरिंग चल रही है. अच्छी बात है होनी चाहिए, हियरिंग होनी चाहिए. एंड हियरिंग तो उनके लिए वो हियरिंग के बाद मतलब रुक जाओ, उसको प्रशांत भूषण का केस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एग्री, चलो प्रशांत भूषण का केस इंपॉर्टेंट है, हम मान लेते हैं उनकी बात. ठीक है, पर कुछ जो एक्सपर्ट्स हैं वो बोलते हैं कि ये जो ट्वीट्स है ऑब्वियसली दे आर नॉट क्वालिफाइंग एज अ कंटेम्प्ट. ठीक है, एग्रीड. ठीक है भैया, क्यों ऐसा बोलते हैं? भला कोर्ट के मुताबिक इट्स एन अब्यूज है ना, कोर्ट के मुताबिक इट्स अ कंटेम्प्ट पार्ट, वाइल सम पीपल से इट इज एन अब्यूज ऑफ दिस कंटेम्प्ट जुरिस्डिक्शन. फॉर गुड रीजन इट इज टू बी एक्सरसाइज स्पेरिंगली एंड विद सर्कमस्पेक्शन. ठीक है, सोच समझ के अप्लाई करना चाहिए, है ना, हर फैक्टर को ध्यान में रखते हुए करना चाहिए. यहाँ पे उन्होंने नहीं किया. इट इज बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू सम एक्सपर्ट्स देयर इज नथिंग in Mr. Bhushan's tweets that qualify as contempt of court. Now you are a better judge, I believe. ठीक है, you can very well see whether it is a contempt of no court or not. Okay, his tweets are an exercise of his fundamental right under Article number 19(1)(a. ठीक है, and as these tweets in question appear to be in the realm of perception, ठीक है, and comment and don't seem to have transgressed into contempt. ठीक है, वो आगे थोड़ी बढ़े, कंटेम्प्ट से थोड़ी आगे बढ़े, ऐसा उनका मानना है. ठीक है, सो द जनरल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द कंटेम्प्ट इज दैट वन कैन क्रिटिसाइज अ जजमेंट बट यू कैन नॉट एट्रीब्यूट मोटिव्स टू द जजमेंट. ओके, सो आप जजमेंट को क्रिटिसाइज कर सकते हो, ठीक है, पर अगर आप जज के मोटिव के ऊपर जाएंगे, ठीक है, तो वो कंटेम्प्ट गिना जाएगा. यस और नो. सो दोस्तों, इट इज़ रियली अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सिनारियो दैट भारत जैसे देश में एक फियरलेस एक्सप्रेशन जो होना चाहिए उसको कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई रोक देता है. या तो वो लेकिन से रूलिंग पार्टी घर पे आके डंडा मार के लोगों को रोक देती है, या ऐसे कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट के द्वारा जुडिशरी रोक देती है, या उसके ऊपर डिफेमेशन का चार्जेस लगाकर लेकिन से लॉ के द्वारा लगा दिया जाता है. ठीक है, तो डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम में ये कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट होना चाहिए, पर यूज कैसे होना, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो अ लॉ फॉर क्रिमिनल कंटेम्प्ट इज ऑब्वियसली asynchronous with our democratic system today. asynchronous आज के समय के मुताबिक नहीं है. आज के समय में तो क्या हो रहा, देखिए ना दोस्तों, मीम लगा रहे हैं दोस्त, क्या 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 चीज़ें हो जाती है. ठीक है, तो अब इस समय पे इस तरीके की चीज़ें होना तो मुझे लगता है कि वाजिब है. ठीक है, समटाइम्स देयर इज एन एक्सेसिव लूज यूज ऑफ टेस्ट ऑफ लॉस ऑफ पब्लिक कॉन्फिडेंस. ठीक है, सो व्हेन प्रशांत भूषण राइट समथिंग and it is loss of public confidence in Supreme Court. ठीक है, अब इतने बड़े लेवल तक पहुंच जाना मुझे लगता है कि सही बात नहीं. इनफैक्ट ये तो उल्टा हो रहा है कि अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट इस तरीके से केसेस करती है तो ये इनडायरेक्टली, है ना, ऐसा माना जाता है कि इट्स अ लॉस ऑफ पब्लिक कॉन्फिडेंस इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट, ऐसा माना जा सकता है. सो जुडिशरी could find itself as an uncanny parallel with the executive. ठीक है, they are against doing what executive does by implementing certain, you can say, charges on people and that brings chilling effect to the people. ठीक है, तो ये एक तरीके से सुप्रीम कोर्ट की तरफ से चिलिंग इफेक्ट होने की बात है when they are coming up with the so motu this criminal contempt of court के बारे में बात करते हैं. So what happens in different countries? So अलग अलग कंट्रीज में क्या होता है. कनाडा के बारे में बात करें दोस्तों, ठीक है, it ties its taste of contempt to real substantial and immediate danger to the administration. रियल होना चाहिए, ठीक है, परसेप्चुअल नहीं होना चाहिए. अमेरिकन कोर्ट no longer use law of contempt in response to comments on judges or legal matter. ठीक है, और इंग्लैंड में ये पोजीशन तो काफ़ी इवॉल्व है. यस और नो. सो डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम में फियरलेस एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए, कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट भी चाहिए, पर कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट को किस तरीके से इंप्लीमेंट करना चाहिए उसके बारे में एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो होनी चाहिए. तो दोस्तों, ये हमने बात करी कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट के बारे में. अगर आपको ये सेशन पसंद आता है तो इस सेशन को लाइक करिए, ठीक है, स्प्रेड करिए हमारे प्रो टैलेंट चैनल को दूर दूर तक. ठीक है, ये बेल आइकन दबाना भूलिएगा मत, सो दैट व्हेनेवर वी हैव अ न्यू वीडियो कमिंग अप you get a proper notification about it. At the same time, you can say do not miss out to take a PDF of this particular, you can say, video on protalentdigital.com. Okay, thank you, have a wonderful day.